can you share a use case, a real life use case of how we worked together very recently?
Yeah, so we unfortunately can't announce who the end customer was, but it's a very large tennis competition that happened recently. So we were, this is the first implementation of Red5, CacheFly, running on Red5 Cloud for this customer. It was a pretty cool experience where we're doing a live real-time streams in, and then putting them on Meta headsets for a VR experience, so you could experience the tennis matches and then flip between the different courts that were actually happening in real time. And then that experience is being shown in the display. I don't have all the details about how that group who's putting that part together and what the real end experience was, but they had really good success with this, and the recordings were really essential for them, because they had playbacks of the stuff. So it's not like you had just during the live game or the match, the people were watching these things, but they also wanted to be able to see, step back in time, do replays, do and then maybe they want us to store it actually for an additional 6 months, so that they have this stuff available to do experiences after the fact. So it's a good example of where the recordings with the real time was really essential for this one.
So it's fair to say that live sports is a really ideal use case for our partnership.
Oh, 100%. Yeah, all sports games are recorded for various reasons. Either it's clippings and you need to get stuff out of it in real time, putting stuff together on the fly. I mean, there's another example of AI usage, being able to pull out clips and then use a language model to actually then figure out how best to use it, and then that's something that can be pushed to social media or become part of the broadcast as well, like pulling, hey, this is what happened here, like commentators going over the top. So the recordings and HLS play a major role in all of this. So,
that's great.
Yeah.